Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need specific access and inventory before you begin. Gather 3 key fragments and reach level 4 to unlock the East Ruins node. Once done, open the world map and set a waypoint to East Ruins so navigation stays simple. Make sure to equip a light core and the basic grapple tool because the early path requires short pulls and a light source. This reduces backtracking and keeps hazards manageable. Move promptly. Start from the waypoint and follow the broken arch markers toward the hidden alcove. You'll face platform gaps and a rune lock door in the mid-stage. First, use the grapple to cross 3 floating platforms, aim slightly ahead of moving platforms to land safely. Next, approach the rune lock and input the fragment sequence 241. The sequence aligns the sigils and opens the chamber. While doing this, conserve your light core by pausing at recharge beacons. This ensures you have enough charge for the final climb. Take your time on puzzles. Rushing causes missed cues and repeats. For the final steps, climb the spiral shaft above the rune chamber and use your remaining light core to activate ascent nodes. These nodes are delicate, so time your boosts. When you reach the pedestal, combine your 3 fragments in the order the pedestal animation suggests. Inserting them will spawn the magnifying glass. If the magnifier doesn't appear, make sure fragments are fully combined. Then reload the last checkpoint or reset the map instance. This usually clears spawn glitches and preserves progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.